scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, g prime of x equals f of x. With the equation f of x equals 1/2 times x minus 6, so g prime 8 equals f of 8 equals 1. B, inflection points for g occur where the slope of f changes sign. This occurs at x equals -3, x equals 3, and x equals 6. C, the value g of 12 is the triangle area. From 6 to 12, which is 1/2 times 6 times 3 equals 9. The value g of 0 is the negative area of the semicircle from 0 to... Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.